Good morning, everyone. Good morning, dear students, esteemed educators, my fellow parents, and all our guardians. I stand here before you not just as a parent, but as a witness to the incredible journey these young minds have embarked upon us. Today, we celebrate not only their academic achievements, but also the growth of their character and spirit. I am filled with a sense of pride and gratitude. Pride in all of you, our students, well, the students are inside the room, for the heart, dedication, and spirits that you have shown throughout the year. And gratitude for all our teachers, staff, co-parents, and guardians who have guided and supported you every step of the way. To our beloved children, you have reached a remarkable milestone. You have learned much more than just reading, writing, and arithmetic. You tackled challenges, embraced learning with enthusiasm, and grown in faith and kindness under the guidance of this nurturing Catholic community. Your smiles, your questions, and your eagerness to help others are the true measures of your success. You have learned to be kind, to help one another, and to stand up for what is right. Remember the values you've learned here: compassion, perseverance, and respect. It will be your compass in life. And also remember, you are not just students of ICSM, you are its ambassadors. Carry these lessons you have learned here and be your guide as you continue to explore, learn, and dream. Sabi nga ni Reverend Monsignor earlier, go and be a wise person, strong and healthy. To our dedicated teachers, of course, thank you for being the shepherds of our children's hearts and minds. Your commitment goes beyond teaching. It's a testament to your vocation, shaping the future of one child at a time. Your passion for teaching and your dedication towards students' growth have not gone unnoticed. You have been more than educators, you have been their mentors, role models, and source of their inspirations. Of course, to my fellow parents and guardians, what a privilege it has been to walk this path with you. Our collaboration, of course, our shared prayers every time na mag-exam sila. I know it's really difficult. And the last quarter, me as a grade 5 parent, we've experienced talagang nahirapan po talaga yung anak ko. But then I know that they did everything. Nakita naman po natin yung result earlier. And I think that's it. So let's move forward with hope and courage. May the good Lord bless our children with wisdom, fill their lives with joy, and guide them with His loving hand. I know we still have one more quarter to go, but then again, I want to send my congratulations to all our students. May you always carry the light of knowledge and the warmth of our community in your hands. Thank you, and may God's grace upon us all.